Alright, y'all. This is one of those things that happens on the homesteads. And I'm praying right now. Last night I couldn't get my tractor started. I think I have a battery issue. I'm hoping it's a battery issue. The battery that I have in this tractor has had a hole in it because it got punctured because a branch went in it. But it's been starting the tractor just fine, and I never had an issue starting. And the last time I started, it started just fine, but then it just nothing. The last time it like the instrument panel lit up for a little bit, I turned the key on and nothing. Let's see if it even, I just saw it. Yeah, I see the glow plug lighting up, so it looks like it's gonna start. So I'm gonna let these chickens out and see, I shouldn't have turned that off. I should have let the glow plugs light it up. I hope they still do that. Okay. But I brought my charged power pack out here to jump it. I'm gonna see if it starts without that, because it looked like it was doing the glow plug in the instrument panel just right. So, but last night it would not start. So let's see. All right. Okay, the glow plug is on. I might be playing Russian roulette by doing this. Let's see. So, see how that's on? Let's see. Nope. Heard it pop. So, it didn't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I'm not gonna be able to do this holding the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get it started with the jumper pack. All right, y'all. As you can see, the tractor has moved, so I got it started. This was a nightmare. I took apart the entire front panel, took apart the instrument cluster. I worked on the starter and the solenoid down there, and in the end, it's got to be the battery. Even with the power pack I had juicing it up, it just, everything. This is how you can spin your wheels. It would come on, it would power up the panel. I tried jumping it on the starter. I just, everything was going wrong, couldn't figure it out. One of the fuses was burnt. I just, all over this thing. This thing gives me fits. But in the end, I'm almost 100% sure it's a battery. I'm bringing the battery in, I'm gonna buy a new one. I gotta clean that all out in there where the battery compartment is, and put the hood back down. I'm gonna fix that hood. I'm gonna fix that too. That was a pain in the butt dealing with that. But I even found another cracked heat shield in there from the vibrations of this motor. It's just crazy with this motor. Maybe it's time for a new tractor. I don't know. I think it's time for a new tractor. So what I got done yesterday, I got the beans planted, and this was my last day to do any planting this week. I was planning on putting corn out, y'all, today, but the whole day was devoted to tractor repair, and I had a doctor's appointment I had to make before I came over here. So me and my wife decided to spend some time together on a little date after, because, you know, you just got to deal with stuff. Anyway, so I'm just trying to do things what I can do. I definitely need to get more active, I guess, in my life. I work so much, but the work I do is sedentary work, just working in a lab in a chair, and I don't get enough physical energy working anymore. I used to, but y'all, look, I get to do this with this camera. I can see the in-ground tomatoes in there. And then, yeah, good stuff. Pepper right there. So it's all good. And then I planted beans. I think on this row I planted all contenders. And on this row I planted lima beans and Taylor horticulture bush beans. And on the end I planted cucumbers. And over there, on the end of each of these rows of tomatoes, I planted some Taylor horticulture bush beans. And then on the last row, I put in some more cucumbers. Hope I said cucumbers earlier. My mind, I'm whooped. Anyway, the tomatoes in. We're supposed to get a bunch of rain tomorrow, so that's good. I'm not going to water or anything today. All the tomatoes are doing well. Everything's doing pretty good that survived the freeze. I wanted to do more video, and I wanted to do a little bit talk. I had a talk I really wanted to get into about some of the current things that are going on, because I like to keep up with that. I pay attention to this a lot. There's a lot of channels that do that, but I'm not all doomsday stuff. Things don't look good right now. They really don't. But you got to keep living your life. We got to keep moving forward. We're getting the homesteading crew that I'm with. We're getting older, and our kids, they have their lives ahead of us. So I'm looking forward to seeing my daughter live her life. And damn be wars throughout the world. We'll fix it. And if we don't, well then I'm ready. I hope my children or my child is ready, you know. But I'd rather her have a good life. Earn her place and work her way to heaven rather than, you know, have it happen real fast. People are so scared about what's going on. You gotta kind of learn to live a little bit. Learn to enjoy. I mean, really, to me, God gave us this world to enjoy. It's look at that deer. Look at that. Oh, there's two of them. What y'all doing? Come on. You want some corn? It's over there. I know. It's there. Yeah, what you say, little girl? Come get you some corn. They're pretty. I was gonna go over there, but I'm gonna leave them alone. She was just getting ready to get her some num-nums. Let me see, I'm gonna go spin the thing again. Oh wait, I need to put these chickens up. Anyway, y'all, what I was trying to get at and say, in the end, we ain't got no control over the devastation that people can annihilate this world with. We can just live the world that we know and we love with our family. So try and embrace it and enjoy the ones you love, enjoy the things you got. I love preparing for the end of the world. It's a hobby, but I really don't want it to happen. I really just want to keep farming. I love farming. I love doing this. This tree right here took a beating, but they got some black mulberries that I might be able to eat. I don't know. That one, some of them don't feel well. Okay, well, I'll come look tomorrow. I'm whooped. All right, y'all. I just wanted to say a little ending, because I'm going to have to. That ain't that great. I'm going to have to put this video together. And in the end, It's not ending how I wanted it to, with a happy planting of some corn. Let's see, are they still over there? Yeah, they're still over there. Go spin the corn. All right, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Goodbye.